If you collect animal figures and you don't have at least one elephant in your collection, can you even call yourself a collector? Yes, you can. Just kidding, but no, really, you should have at least one. Now, I own 4 different species. I think we'll get into that at the end of the video. Paint job. The color scheme is pretty simple. It's gray, black, and white. I love this figure. I love pretty much all my figures. I love it. Paint job gets a 10 out of 10. Sculpt. Not a whole lot to say. I do think this animal might have been walking through the brush. Maybe going out to feed or on their way to get a drink of water. Love the ears and the trunk on this one. It gets a solid 10 out of 10. Realism. You can tell someone put some extra care into creating this figure. What gets me every time is the texture on the trunk and those ears that seem to me to be somewhat excited. I wouldn't say it's being defensive, but I do believe it's being somewhat excited and maybe happy. With that, I'm giving this animal a 10 out of 10. I mentioned that I have 4 species of elephant in my collection. I have the mastodon, the mammoth, and an Asian elephant on top of this beautiful African elephant. And with that, I will see you in the next one.